What up, y'all? It's your boy D, the delinquent. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace your crossfader on the Pioneer DDJ SX. Now mine is the SXW, but you can apply the same steps for the SXW2 and the SX3 and yada yada yada. I ordered the crossfader from Amazon. Look how it arrived in this nice beautiful box. It even says new. People say don't believe everything you read, but listen, Jeff Bezos ain't got no reason to lie to me. There was even a sticker that said Pioneer on the package. It only took 2 days to get to me. If I ordered it through Pioneer, it would have took damn near a month. How does that make sense? Anyway, I got the link below if you need to order a crossfader. Let's go. So the reason why I'm doing this to begin with is because I am getting some fader bleeding, some bleeding fader, some bleeding into the fader. Cross bleeding, no, not cross breeding. What's specifically going on is when I'm playing one side of the deck, the sound on the other side of the deck continues to leak through, and that's no bueno. We don't want that. It's no good, my friend. Just to be even more specific, I noticed it when I switched to the B side and noticed that the sound on the A side kept leaking through. What the hell? That's no good. That's no bueno, my friend. Then I thought maybe my channel options are in the through position. Nope, it is not on the through position. Who's using the through position anyway? All you DJs out there, please comment below and let me know why you need it on the through position. I have a couple ideas, but I really don't know, just to be honest with y'all. But anyway, I leave mine on the A position for the A side and the B position on the B side. And many of you who already know me, you know damn well that I hate spending money when I don't have to. And my dumb ass really tried to prolong not switching out this fader. I actually taught myself how to DJ using the channel mixers more than the crossfader, and now it's happening on the other side and it's all a mess. So I definitely got to replace this problem right now, right here, and that's why we're here today. And before we begin anything, I just need to make sure everybody knows safety first. Make sure everything is disconnected, no power. But homie, listen up, I will say this: if you are having the same problem that I was having, I want you to take out that crossfader, get a can of air, and just blow it out and gently clean that whole area as best as you can, because I promise you this, sometimes it'll buy you some time or actually fix the problem. But if you don't want to mess with it because you're scared that things are going to go wrong during the gig, then I completely understand. Replace that shit right now or replace it yesterday. 1. Take the knob off and set that baby aside right here. 2. Get the right size Phillips screwdriver. Next, remove the 2 screws holding the faceplate on the crossfader on the board. Please make sure to place your screws where you're not gonna lose them. 3. Lift up the crossfader assembly. Then remove the faceplate. Remember, keep all your parts where you're not gonna lose them. Then next, you're gonna have to take a mental note or a picture or something, and remember that the clip goes closest to the B side. 4. Gently detach the plug. You might have to wiggle it a bit. Yo, check this out. I've already spotted the damn problem, the issue, the freaking headache going on with my crossfader. Check out that corrosion right there, that acid or something. That is no bueno, my friend. 5. Now we gotta remove the smaller screws holding on that fader. You will need a different screwdriver because check out the difference in sizes. Oh man. It's okay, my friend. Thank God for magnetism. Anyway, proceed to take out the smaller screws. And ladies and gentlemen, don't use Loctite on these devices. Like, why in the hell would you? Unless you're like pulling off something like that drummer did on the Motley Crue video where he was playing the drums upside down. If you ain't DJing on a roller coaster or upside down or any of that stuff, you don't need to worry about putting Loctite on your screws. Now the fader is completely off. I don't know about y'all, but I like to compare my new parts versus the old parts. 1, to make sure that they actually match, and 2, just to see, I'm just damn curious. And as you can see right here in this video, that corrosion is definitely not supposed to be there, and the new fader actually looks a darker green, which means to me this is how it's supposed to look. Now we gotta work backwards. Put the tiny screws back in place so the fader can go on that plate, and remember your clip goes closest to your B side. Then firmly, securely plug that bad boy back in. Put it back in place, then grab the crossfader faceplate, then grab those bigger screws and put that back properly. Then you grab your fader knob and put that back where it's supposed to be, and look at that! Woo-hoo-hoo! We did it! We should go work at NASA or Raytheon or something. Save the world. Just playing, but swapping out this crossfader did fix my issue. I hope it fixes yours as well. If you liked the video, please come back for more. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And please check out the clothing brand that we started called Bread and Butter Apparel. Our website is breadandbutterstreetwear.com. Crazy quality goods at crazy good prices, fast shipping, and we always take care of our customers. Might send you a free thing or two or three. Much love, y'all. Peace.